flippers, welcome back to Furniture Flipping Teacher. Today we're going to be going to some thrift stores to hunt down some furniture. Hopefully we find some stuff, but if not, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks of what to look for and what not to look for. But first, we've got to get these brown chairs out of here. So I got these chairs about 2 months ago for about $10 for the pair. They were in really bad shape, but I took my handy dandy vacuum, made them come back to life, and then I've had them posted for a while and someone finally reached out. Sometimes it just takes a while, just waiting for that right person to come along and the sale will come through. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum them so that I can get all the dust off from them sitting in the garage. So they are gone. I sold them for $85. I went down from my $100 because, like I said, I've had them for 2 months. Over it. Just gonna get some profit and make some more room in the garage. Got a list of some thrift stores that we're gonna hit today. Let's get going.
It's 25% off, so it'd be 30.
If we can fix the drawer up a little bit, it's a mid-century modern piece. I mean, yeah, I'll take it for 30.
Tax, so $32.75.
That's fine. So my parents went to Topeka for Thanksgiving. They're coming back with a dresser. So we always start by going all the way to the back for the furniture. Hopefully we can find some furniture this time. I think we've got enough other stuff for now. So these nightstands, they're super cool. They have a bunch of knobs matching. It's always good to have sets. However, they're asking $35 for each one. So that's $70 for a pair of nightstands. I probably couldn't even get that after refinishing, so that's a no-go. I see a chair. Someone's sitting in it, so I'm gonna wait. We'll see. So it's a rocker, which, as you've seen, we've flipped and sold before. So it just being one, it's okay. It's not as good as a pair, but not bad. Decisions. Wonder if there's any specials going on. Sometimes they have half off furniture on Saturdays. So there's no sales today on this specific color tag. I think we're gonna move on. It's not a rocker. $8.97. I'm getting this right now. There's no holes, rips, like major stains. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. I have heart eyes right now, guys. There's just a few marks right here. But I can get that out. So I have this mid-century modern colors cheat sheet. That's the color chair we're looking at right now. Isn't it kind of crazy that I'm paying $6.97 for a vase and $8.97 for a chair? time to head back out. All right, we are pulling up to the next thrift stop. This is the Last Chance store. So when you go inside here, you gotta wear a mask and gloves just to keep safe. I see 2 chairs that have the mid-century modern legs. I might have to see what I can do with these. Someone asked me if I could refinish something similar to a picture she showed me. She said if I ever find something like that, then to let her know. I might have to take some pictures and send it over. And by the way, the other one that I was talking about is a no-go. I see it looking at it now. This one right here has some great legs. I don't really want to be messing with the leather and all of that underneath there. Too much work. Just found out that these chairs are only $1.97, so $2 a chair, not bad. Four down, a few more to go, we're making progress. Okay, so this is a completely different style of furniture, not mid-century modern, it's antique, which is also something that you want to look for because that means that it's old, it's well made, and it would be beautiful refinished.
Be very careful, that's just barely on there. Screwed it in with the butter knife. Yeah, I just don't want it falling off.
Yeah, for sure.
I just hand tightened it back here. There's only one screw, that's all you really need.
Is it okay if we come back?
Yeah, you get 24.
So, how does it work for me to come back tomorrow?
So tomorrow when you come to pick it up, just go to the far west end of the building, you know, where you drop off the
Okay.
and you just pick them up there. They'll have you loaded up and everything to get it.
More stuff! I just got even more excited about that antique dresser that I just bought from Goodwill because I ordered on Black Friday from the Chippy Barn, which is a paint company, and there's this color and it's gonna be perfect for an antique. So we are done thrifting for today. You guys enjoyed thrifting with me today. We got several things for staging along with a couple of pieces of furniture. We got this beautiful green chair for $9, and then we got a mid-century modern chair for $2. We got a dresser that's more of an antique look for $30, and that comes to a total of $41 spent on furniture today. That's not including the dresser that I had my parents pick up down in Topeka, Kansas. That's another $32, so that brings our total to $73 on furniture today. Let me know what you guys think of the furniture I picked out. If you found this video helpful, we will be releasing videos on Mondays and Thursdays, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. See you on the flip side.